I'm Bob Wise, and I'm the president and CEO of Notiphy. I founded the company because I wanted to develop a communication and process management solution for the industrial workspace and manufacturing community, and that's what we've developed in Notiphy Corporation. Notiphy is a software platform that provides content and processes or basic task lists down to people at their workstation.
My name is Bryce Saul, and I am currently the Director of Customer Success at Notiphy. I can be found implementing customer processes, going through some of their task lists, breaking down their pain points in terms of manufacturing, and across the board making sure all of the customer needs are met.
Notiphy was really developed to benefit the people. Who really needs Notiphy is both the workers, middle management, whether it's the plant managers or head of operations, and the owners of the company. People often are trained, and they often forget half of what they learn. So they need to have that information at the source of where they're working. So the company is benefiting by allowing them to actually be accountable for going through the process, because they have to check off. So the company knows that they did the work and knows if they didn't do the work, and they can address them. The system will provide an alert or a notification to supervisors if people actually don't go through the work that they're supposed to do.
It's very exciting to see how some of the young people will integrate with a system that they've already been used to. As you know, we've grown up with iPhones and tablets, and it should be seamlessly easy now to become an operator in this day of age and learn a lathe or a mill operation just using a tablet.
I think that TMA today, and certainly long term, is going to be very beneficial to Notiphy, because we really want to be out there in the manufacturing community, working with those people, talking to them, and really understanding how Notiphy can benefit their business.